Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. With more than 50% of Pinterest users visiting the platform to shop and 96% of searches being unbranded, affiliate marketing on Pinterest has become a powerful way to earn from product recommendations. The key is approaching it as a long-term strategy, not a quick money scheme. So first and first, we're talking here about how to start affiliate marketing on Pinterest. You should start with the right products. Success begins with relevance. Promote products that align with what Pinterest users are already looking for. Use keyword research tools to find topics with high search demand. Target evergreen products. For like a successful pins can drive traffic for months or even years. So you want products that will still be available in the future. Then build a website. This is essential for long-term success. Create helpful content on your site like a blog post, product roundups, tutorials, or even comparisons. And add your affiliate links inside that content. Then create pins that link back to your articles, not directly to affiliate products. Pinterest rewards valuable content, not direct affiliate link drops. Focus on value first. Pinterest users come for inspiration, ideas, solutions, and sometimes informations. Your content should genuinely help the reader. The more useful your article is, the more likely is it to rank, get saved, and drive clicks. Use Amazon Storefront if you want to, and create fresh pins every time. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.